Okay, for question two, basically we're dealing with a concept of variation in solar radiation, solar flares, how it actually leads to climate change. So the first thing that you must have in your answer, wherever you've hidden it, is the concept that with increased solar radiation or with solar flares occurring, you have an increase in surface temperature on Earth. That must be there. If you don't have that, you're going to lose 1 mark. Now, what are the other implications that have to be, or other things that have to be in the answer? Number one, what exactly are solar flares? You have to mention this. You have to mention a few key things with these important terminologies. Black spots, increase in magnetic activity, increase in release of solar radiation, increase in shortwave radiation received by planet Earth, increase in resultant long-wave radiation. These will lead to the increase in surface temperature. Okay, the other things that will be required in a 5-mark answer would be, what is the cycle life that NASA has actually tracked for these solar radiation spikes? So you need to talk about the fact that it is an 11-year cycle. You need to talk about the fact that this has been tracked by NASA, okay, the National Aviation and Space Agency of America. So these are what you must have for question 2, variation in solar radiation. Now, once again, I want to repeat, the question actually has a very important link here. They are not asking for you to explain what in the world solar flares are and what is this variation. They're asking you not only for that, they're asking you for the resultant implication in terms of climate change. So you must tell me, so what has happened and what is the link to climate change. If you don't have the link to climate change, technically you did not ATQ. Okay, but given the trend of the marking, even if you didn't mention that, you would lose probably 1 mark. Okay, you will not get a 0, but why do you lose a mark like that? Okay, so that's it for question 2.